Paint like a pro in minutes, fast, even coats without the mess. Here are 5 sprayers that'll level up your furniture projects. First, VONFORN Cleaning Patterns Furniture VF803 at just $49.99. The VF803 is an HVLP sprayer built for furniture detail. It swaps patterns quickly so you can go from fine mist to wide fan without stopping, giving smooth, brushless finishes on cabinets and tabletops, perfect for DIY touch-ups and weekend refinishes. Second, VEVOR Efficiency Electric Painting Furniture for $69.99. This electric HVLP unit balances power and control. It maintains steady pressure for even coverage, so stain and lacquer go on without drips. Lightweight and easy to hold, it's ideal when you need professional-looking coats across multiple furniture pieces. Third, Graco 257025 Project Painter Multicolor at $179.99. This airless sprayer tackles bigger DIY jobs. It atomizes thicker paints and handles longer runs, cutting repaint times dramatically. If you're doing multiple chairs, dressers, or a full cabinet set, this one keeps flow consistent and reduces recoat time. Fourth, HomeRight C800971 Painter Painting Projects, a $59.99 classic for small jobs. Dependable HVLP control for hobbyists. It's tuned for small surfaces and touch-ups, easy to clean, and friendly for first-timers who want neat edges and minimal overspray on trim and shelf work. Fifth, high-pressure electric extension thinning-free professional. For $89.99, this high-pressure sprayer offers an extension wand and thinning-free operation. That means fewer prep steps and more reach into crevices. It's a great mid-range pick for furniture restorers who want power without complicated thinning or setup.